Hello, good morning. My name is Denise Esther Contreras Medrano, student at semester activity Unit 1, grammar practice. Who's your closest friends? I had a close friend named Julicy Guevara, and it made me very happy that she is part of my life. How did you meet? I met Julicy at university. How many friends do you have on social network? Facebook is the social network where I the most. In a total, I had 2,000. However, as in other networks, I prefer not to chat with people I don't know. Sometimes I like to read to posts which I like in response to reactions they hit me. Who were your friends when you were growing up? When I was a child, my friends were my neighbor and my brothers, Dana and Damian. Do you have many friends that have incentivize influence whites? I had many friends with the interesting line, but I would like to focus on one. Her name is Tania Figueroa. She has traveled a lot and knows several countries. She knows how to speak 3 languages and currently lives in Inglaterra. Thank you.